gauge galvalume. So as you see, it's just like a bare metal finish. What he's doing right now is he's actually unwrapping everything. We're into the second coil now. We use about 2,600 linear feet of panel. So what they're doing is they're gonna run it out. They're gonna feed it back to the machine and keep running because one coil is not enough. 24 gauge is a lot thicker than your standard 26 gauge, so there's not as much steel on a coil as there would be with like a 26 gauge. So this particular job, you're looking at about 100 to 115 different panels. You know, you've got 15 footers, 5 footers, 7 footers, I mean, all the way up into 26, 29 footers. The best possible thing that you can do, we actually run the material on site. So we get a list like these for each house directly from the roof. So the roofers are up there, they give us the numbers, so there's zero waste. This is exactly what you're going to use, so you're not wasting thousands of dollars. In the past, I've seen on roofing jobs where there's $1,000 of material sitting on the job site and it just gets thrown right into the dumpster. You know, that could go right to your bottom line and your margin, or that can be the make or break on a different job. You know, $1,000 is a lot of money. You know, fast turnaround time, we run panels on site, we have tons of different colors in stock. I mean, you name it, we can do it. Turnaround time is within 24 hours. We can have a project manager give you a call back. I mean, go through, we have just tons of different things that you can go to with your color charts. I mean, any which way, anything that you need, our website can provide that. And again, we're fast to turn around right now within 24 hours.